Man, I don't know what to eat. Like, seriously. We could eat the chocolate brownies, but the doctor told us to watch our weight. And like, we can't even eat the pickles. The freaking pickles. So what do you think we should eat, Crab Claw? What? Yes, drink medicine. Ah! Hi, this is a sequel to that series commercial I did with the Penguin Bros. But this time it has halloweeny, and the Crab Claw! What the heck is going on? Take 2. Try some honey buttons of oats. I'm gonna eat 4 bananas for breakfast. I like oatmeal, so I'm probably gonna like cereal, oat cereal. The cereal has oats too. This cereal is made by Post. I'm a General Mills guy, so yeah, I like this one. Wait, I'm not sure I'm gonna like anything from Post. Eat it! Man, the crocodile still is hungry. Just think. No, I'm like, They taste more musky and delicious than Lucky Charms. Come on, guys. Come on. Palm out. Don't forget the spoon before you pour the milk. Honey bunches of oats and still a snail.